Welcome to DigitalBix Fashions. Buying the right shirt is not as easy as it looks. You have to consider many things such as fabric, fitting, colors, prints, and whatnot. A good shirt can instantly make you look good and confident. If you're looking for the best men's shirts brands in India, here are some basic factors that help us choose the best shirt for you. Number 1, Arrow. Arrow is one of the oldest men's formal brands. Arrow brand comes up with different shirt patterns and designs to you look awesome. Number 2, Peter England. Peter England is one of the largest menswear brands in India, known for its standardized fits, fashionable styles, and superior quality. Peter England shirts are blend of comfort and style that makes it a top men's shirts brand, from regular fit to slim fit and unique designs. Number 3, Van Heusen. These shirts boast elegance in their magnificent patterns like printed, self-designed, striped, and checkered. Number 4, Zodiac. Zodiac is a leader in men's fine clothing and accessories. Its international and sophisticated styles reinvented men's fashion. Number 5, Louis Philippe defines a class, elegance, and status by bringing a wide range of clothing for the discerning gentleman. This is the best Louis Philippe shirt brand. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe DigitalBix Fashions.